All right, we are back with the 76 Cadillac Eldorado. Just got our fuel sending unit back in from Eldorado George. He did a great job rebuilding the original here so that we can keep this car as original as possible. So we're going to get this put in, and once this is in and locked down, we will reinstall the tank. Okay, back at it. Camera didn't start recording. All you missed was me getting back under here and starting to put these clamps in place. There are 3 different hoses, and it must have been designed by a mechanic, not an engineer, because it just so happens that all 3 hoses are 3 different sizes. These have a pretty solid spot to go and try to keep from being wrong. And I'm using a ratchet to do this because I don't want to get a screwdriver up in here. So there is number 1. There is number 2. There is number 3. And then make sure these hoses go back here. I'll move the camera, but go back here into this little clamp. Keep it off the exhaust. Avoid some vapor locking, which is, even though it's a fuel injected car, is still possible. Okay, and then I would recommend putting those hose clamps on before putting the tank in, because that was a pain. And then we're going to come back and tighten up this last fuel tank strap. Alright, now to get it back out from under the car. Well, I stand corrected. Not time to get out from under the car yet. On the way out, I noticed these, so we're gonna run these wires kind of where we need them. We're gonna go ahead and hook up our ground. We're going to do it like this. Okay, good ground. And this wire will feed up here. And I don't know how well you can see it, but it reconnects right there. Just like that.